Hello, my lovely kids. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 27, the elapsed time. What is the meaning of the elapsed time? The elapsed time is the time of a specific event, like a football game, like the time of studying, like the time of walking to school. A time of something starts at specific time and ends at specific time. Let's remember together how to read the time. First, the shorthand refers to what? To hours. Yes, excellent. And the longhand refers to minutes. Okay, how to read minutes? When the longhand goes from a number to another number, so the time goes 5 minutes. Start it from 1. 1 is 5 minutes, 2, 10 minutes, 3, 15 minutes, and so on. Like table 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and finally the zero. What is the zeros? Zeros mean exact time. We don't write 60. It will be 0. 5 o'clock, for example, will be 5 and 2 zeros. But here it's 5 and 5. 5 hours and 5 minutes. So what is the time here? 5 and 5 minutes. What is the difference between AM and PM? The first picture refers to AM. It's from 12, exactly 12 o'clock at midnight to 11:59 at noon. And PM is 12 o'clock from noon to 11:59 midnight. So this is the difference between AM and PM. AM from midnight to noon and PM from noon to midnight. Okay, activity 1. Draw the given time. I want to draw the hands. Let's read the time here. 6 and 45. So, what is the hours here? It's 6 hours. So, the shorthand will be on 6. And 45, it will be on what? 45 minutes. Let's start from 1 and count table 5. I will find 45 on number 9. Excellent. Then 8 and 15. So the shorthand will be on 8 and 15 minutes. Where is 15 minutes? It's on 3. Excellent. So the longhand will be on 3. Activity number 2. Find the elapsed time. What is the elapsed time between 11:30 a.m. and 5 p.m.? Let's see here. I want to count from 11:30 to 5. I can make it on a line like this and put the time from 11:30 to 5. Then let's go. Here is 30 minutes. From 11:30 to 12, only 30 minutes. Then from 12 to 1 hour. Then 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and 5 hours. So what is the elapsed time here? It's 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, the time between 11:30 and 5 p.m. Okay, question B. I want the time between 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, the elapsed time here, count after 8 to reach 12. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 4 hours. Activity number 3. Look at the time elapsed, then draw the hands of a clock. Okay, The first picture, I got the starting time is what? What is the time here? The short arrow, the short hand is between 1 and 2. So it will be 1:45 minutes because the long hand on 9. So it's 1:45. Okay. Then the time elapsed is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So I will put the 15 minutes on this time first. So it will be 2 o'clock. Okay. If I put 15 minutes to 1:45, it will be 2 o'clock. Then I will put the 4 hours. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the time here at the ending point will be 6 o'clock, exactly 6. Then draw the hands, the short hand on 6 and the long hand on 12. Okay, the second picture, I have, what is the time here? It's 6 o'clock, exactly 6. And the time elapsed is 1 hour and 20 minutes. So I will move only 1 hour, so it will be 7. The short hand will be on 7. And 20 minutes. So where is 20 minutes? The long hand will be on 4. Excellent. So the time here will be 7 and 20. Activity number 4. Karim plays a basketball game, starts at 7:35 and ends at 8:35. What is the time elapsed at game? What is the time between 7:35 and 8:35? It's so clear. It's 1 hour. Excellent. 8:35 minus 7:35 will be 1 hour. Let's draw them. The game starts at what? 7:35. So draw here 7, the short hand on 7, or between 7 and 8. And the long hand will be on 7 too. The game ends at what? 8:35. So the short hand will be between 8 and 9. And the long hand will be on 7. Because 7 refers to 35 minutes. The last activity, activity number 5, complete the table. I have starting time, ending time, and elapsed time. On the first one, I have the ending time is 12 and 30, and the elapsed time is 1 hour and a half. So I have to go back 1 hour and a half before 12:30. I can subtract here. I can subtract 1 hour and a half. So it will be, let's subtract the minutes. 30 minus 30 will be 0. So it will be 2 zeros. And 1 minus 12 will be what? 11. So the starting time was 11 exactly. 11 o'clock. Look here, if you find the elapsed time, it will be 1 hour and a half between 11 o'clock and 12:30. Let's go to the next one. The starting time is 3 o'clock and the ending time is 4 and 35 minutes. What is the elapsed time here? What is the time between both of them? 3 and 4 will be 1 hour. Then 35 minutes. So it will be 1 hour and 35 minutes. Okay, 9 o'clock is the starting time. I don't have ending time, but I have the elapsed time 4 hours and 10. So I will count after 9, 4 hours and 10 minutes. Let's count together. After 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1. We don't say 13 in the clock. After 12, I have 1. So it's 1 o'clock and how many minutes? 10 minutes. So it will be 1 and 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, primary 3. Now I have finished from our lesson today. Here is your home activity. Answer it and send it to me. Goodbye.